Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Ubon SP25 Bluetooth speaker with microphone included. On the front of the box, we have an image of the Bluetooth speaker itself. Up top, we have some Ubon branding. On the left hand side, we have the model number. In the middle, we have some information regarding the free karaoke mic that has been provided with a 3-meter long cable. Over here we have some information regarding its battery life, which is 4 hours, and we also have RGB lights. On the left hand side of the box, we have some importing and manufacturing information. On the bottom, we have a couple of QR codes. One of them leads to the brand's website and one of them leads to the Instagram page of the brand. Next to that, we have the BIS certification symbol. On the right hand side of the box, we have a few of the technical specifications, which include an output of 5 watts, frequency response is 100 Hz to 18 kHz, signal and noise ratio of the power amplifier is greater than or equal to 80 decibels, the loudspeaker size is 3 inches, power supply is 5 volts DC, battery capacity is 500 mAh, charging time 1 hour, backup or playtime of 4 hours, and we also have a few of the salient features like TWS functionality, FM radio, rechargeable battery, RGB lights, aux input, TF card input, USB input, karaoke input, and Bluetooth version 5.0. There is nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom, and on the back of the box we have some imagery of the device in use by its brand ambassador. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of a user manual. We recommend that you read through this thoroughly to understand the various features and functions of the speaker. Next, we have a charging cum audio cable. It's approximately 19 inches long. On one end, we have a micro USB interface, and on the other, we have a USB Type A interface and a 3.5 mm audio jack. The audio jack is of the TRS kind. Basically, you can use this cable to charge your speaker, and you can also use this cable to play music on the speaker via your smartphone in its wired configuration. Here we have the microphone's cable, which we already know from the box to be approximately 3 meters long. On one end of the cable, we have a 3.5 mm audio jack once again, and the other end corresponds to the bottom of the microphone. Coming to the microphone itself, it's a pretty basic and simple microphone, some Ubon branding on the side, and on the same side we have the on-off switch for the microphone. Coming to the speaker unit itself, we can see that it has a black color theme going for it. All the way around it, it has a grainy black finish. On the front, we have the speaker grill through which the LED lights, RGB LED lights should shine out of. Above the speaker grill, we have the various buttons to toggle between the modes and to control the speaker. Above that, we have the Ubon branding. On the top side of the speaker, we have the various inputs. From the left, we have the USB Type A input. Next to that, we have the TF card slot. Next is the charging input, DC 5 volts, micro USB in this case, and we have the input for the microphone or aux, which is a 3.5 mm female input. To the extreme right, we have the on-off switch to obviously turn the device on or off. Right in the middle here, we have a convenient little slot in which we can place a smartphone while you are playing music on it. After that, we have another convenient feature, which is a carrying handle and makes it really easy and portable. There's nothing else to see on the speaker. On the back, we have a sticker which has most of the information that we read off of the box. So let's get started with using the speaker now.
Life Milai music, music Milai life. Ubon, born to be free.
The moment
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
The moment you turn the device on, the RGB lights on the front where the drivers of the speaker are light up, And since it's the first time we are powering the device on, it goes into Bluetooth pairing mode automatically. Next, we will look for the device in the Available Devices section of the Bluetooth menu. Here we see that the Bluetooth name of the device is Ubon Mini Star SP25. Tap on it to begin the pairing process.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
And that tells us that the speaker is connected to the smartphone via Bluetooth. So now we can use these speakers to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Ubon SP25 Bluetooth speaker with a karaoke microphone included. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.